Hello and welcome to a super quick little teaser video from RC Empire featuring the absolutely fantastic brand new re-release Kyosho Ultima. Now due to the virus, and I hope you're all staying safe, unfortunately we can't get out and give this buggy a real test. But that doesn't really matter because we've had hours of fun with this beauty right here in this small space. This is exactly the type of model we've spoken about before on RC Empire, which we absolutely love. It's not crazy fast, you don't necessarily need a huge space to run it, or a massive track or field to get it up to top speed, and even in this small area here, it is great. We've spent every evening this week just having fun with it. It's a typical classic Kyosho or Tamiya model which you just love bashing around and having fun with. But at the same time, we are itching to get this out onto the off-road track because that is where it belongs, and I cannot wait to see how this handles around a proper track. Now some details. In terms of power, I think we've pretty much got it spot on. And off the back of the initial question we posed, do you want to see a brushless or a brushed setup in this buggy? We decided initially to go with a brushed setup, and we'll show you exactly what we've chosen, what we fitted, how we fitted it, and where we ran all the cabling and components in the coming videos, so do watch out for them. And actually there was some really good discussion off the back of that question, which was nice to see, and to be honest I think the vote was pretty much 50-50. But basically we've got a super simple back to basic Kyosho 22 turned brush motor and a Kyosho Speed controller which are reliable and haven't cost the earth. In terms of power, as you can see, we really don't need any more torque at all. And for those of you following us on Instagram, you can see that this is an absolute wheelie machine with its current setup. It pops wheelies on demand, on grass and on road, and if we had any more torque than this, it would just be on its roof every single time we floored it. And you can also see the top speed there too, which isn't too high, probably around the 20 mph range, or in the high teens, but we'll do a speed run later on with this setup. What I absolutely will do however, is just change the pinion to sacrifice some of that low end torque, which we really don't need, for a bit more high end speed. And I think that will make this buggy spot on perfect. And we'll talk about this a bit more in detail next time. But that's it for now. Do watch out for the remaining build videos of the Ultima, taking a look at the excellent quality components that makes this so super smooth to run. And also check out the current videos in our series. We will be back soon with a few more bash sessions similar to this, telling you more about what we think of the Ultima and a few more details of what we're running, so do watch out for them. But that's it. Let us know what you think down below in the comments. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.